Good evening, mo welcome ikam lo another storian blong pikinini kona. Storian blong you meet today lo evening hemi about Lila wetem lost butterfly. Find him one place, sit down, mo enjoy him. Storian blong you meet hemi goal sem. Long time before, lo one small village, ikat one magic karen. Inside lo magic karen ya, ikat all beautiful bright flower, all noisy bee, more all colorful butterfly. Every morning, all butterfly, all it done is fall him sunlight, more all flower, all it sing fall him wind. Long village ya, ikat one girl, name blong him Lila. Hemi one smart girl, where hemi like him blong sit down underneath long all big fella tree, more watch him all butterfly, only fly out long one flower, mo go long nara flower. One day, Lila emi notice him one something emi strange to mas. Sky is full up with them all dark smoke, smell blong air, iko no good way no good, mo all flower, only start blong slack down. Ikat some people long village ya, we only start boning bush, sack em rubbish, iko long all river, mo cut them down plant a tree. All butterfly only stop go one, mo disappear one by one. In no long time, ikat one butterfly no more stop. One beautiful butterfly, mo name blong him Judy. Lila I think hard, mo take him all friend blong him, only come long one place. Only decide blong take him action blong help him nature. Only go na mo tell him long old man blong only stop long bon him all bush. Be buy only make him compost, long leaf blong make him crown I reach. Only stop him old man blong no sack him rubbish I go over long river. Be use some water lo one good for la fasin. Slow, air hemi come clean. Plant a butterfly, only start blong fly come back again. Judy, last butterfly, hemi take him back power blong him, mo hemi fly go anta blong sky blong look all friend blong him, mo enjoy all kita all same before. So all pikinini, hemi now hemi end blong storian blong Yumi. One em na you fly land em out blong storian blong Yumi. Number 1, Yumi no mas careless, it means say sakem toti long right place blong him, or recycle him suppose hemi possible. Number 2, Yumi must care from all plants mo all tree. Plant the flower. Plant the tree, blong make him ground hemi rich, more healthy all time. Number 3, stop him blong bonem bush more rubbish. Smoke hemi poison him air, all animal, more Yumi all people. Number 4, love them, more protect them nature. All butterfly, all flower, more every living something around Yumi community one clean, more safe place blong stop long him all time. More last one, all small action only matter. Even you fella all small pikinini, you fella is have making one big fella difference, so you fella I continue blong keeping place around Yumi I stop clean all time. So all pikinini, me hope the storian blong small ke Lila with them last butterfly, hemi give you one big fella lesson long Yumi. Suppose you got Chinese blong meet one friend blong you, no forget blong storian long small ke Lila with them last butterfly long him too. Mo invite them blong tune in lo pikinini corner long same time next week. Kasem long time ya, me Sheila Rimala, good night everyone.